These are the best accessories for your new iPhone 17 Pro. I picked up the iPhone 17 Pro in that cosmic orange, and so far this phone is pretty solid. But obviously with any phone, you might need to pick up a few accessories that make it even better. So let's talk about some of the best iPhone 17 Pro accessories that takes your phone to the next level. The first accessory has to be the AirPods Pro. It goes incredibly well with the iPhone 17 Pro. It's almost a no-brainer. The seamless connection with iOS, adaptive noise cancellation, and spatial audio makes them perfect whether you're on a call, in the gym, or just zoning out with music. From automatic device switches to features like personalized volume, and yes, you can look at other options, but personally speaking, I think the AirPods Pro has some of the best noise cancellation. So if you're on a plane and there's a crying baby behind you, you can probably block them out with the AirPods Pro's noise cancellation. Next up is the MagSafe Elite case for the iPhone 17 Pro. It's a case that's more like an upgrade for your phone than just a shell around it. Let's start with the kickstand. It's built in, pops out with a strong hold, and makes watching videos, hopping on calls, or even working from your phone way easier. When you're done, it folds in flush, just really flat and integrates well with the phone. Next is the finger loop. It's simple, but honestly a game changer. It keeps your phone secure in your hand and gives you that peace of mind when you're texting or snapping photos on the go. And the best part is that you can still slap your MagSafe charger on top of it and it'll still charge just fine. Customization. This is one of the ways that the MagPad case pulls ahead. With the accents pack, you can swap out colors to actually match your vibe. I've been pairing it with the blue accent on the orange iPhone 17 and it just works. If you're like me and you don't really like the iPhone's color lineup this year, this is a way to personalize your phone and make it feel a lot like you. And for something more understated, the case itself now comes in beige, which looks super clean and modern and minimal. The case grips onto any metal surface so well that it almost feels like a cheat code. So if you're looking for a case that's protective, practical, and gives you that personal vibe, check out the MagSafe Elite case below and use the link in the description for a little bit of a discount off. Third on the list is the ESR battery pack. The ESR battery pack is one of those must-have accessories if you're rocking the iPhone 17 Pro. It's MagSafe certified, so it snaps right on the back of your phone without fumbling with cables. And it's surprisingly slim for a power bank. What I really like is that it charges at a solid speed and is very pocket friendly. You're not carrying around a brick, which can be a little bit annoying when you're on the go. Plus, it has pass-through charging, meaning that you can charge the battery pack and your iPhone at the same time, saving you a lot of time when recharging. If you're out all day and shooting content, then you're not gonna have battery anxiety if you bring this MagSafe battery pack with you. Next on the list is the FreeRoll Compact MagSafe Tripod and Selfie Stick. This thing snaps right onto your iPhone 17 Pro, folding out into a full mini tripod or extending into a selfie stick depending on what you're shooting. It's compact, made out of lightweight aluminum, just like the Pro, and even has an ARCA compatible clamp. So that means that you can mix it in with more serious rigs if you want. What I love is how it bridges everyday convenience with creator level utility. You can pull it out for a quick vlog, a group selfie, or a time lapse without switching gear. And because it's MagSafe, there's like no fumbling with clamps or mounts or anything like that. All you have to do is snap, unfold, and shoot. It's kind of a really flexible tool and makes your iPhone 17 Pro feel even more like a full-fledged camera. If you're serious about content creation, you're gonna like the next item on my list. This is the DJI Mic 3 that they just released about a month ago. Apple's built-in mics are fine, but this takes your audio game to a whole nother level. It's a dual-channel wireless mic system with incredible clarity and built-in noise reduction. So even if you're shooting outside and you're near like a train, for example, the noise cancellation can completely cut it out, and it sounds really good. Audio is key, and this is very small and portable, and is just another way that you can level up your videos when shooting on the iPhone 17 Pro. And also, if you're wondering how the audio sounds, I'm actually using it right now to record this video. Now, staying in line with using your cameras on your iPhone, you're definitely gonna need storage with you if you're shooting content. And I recommend the Samsung T7. This is a small and slim SSD that you can bring with you in your pocket and attach it to your iPhone via the USB-C port. It unlocks the ability to shoot RAW on your iPhone, no more clogging up your phone with huge files. Plus you can plug it straight into your laptop for editing without waiting forever to transfer. If you're a content creator, this one pays for itself, at least in peace of mind. Next we have the Ultra Human Ring. The Ultra Human Ring is a cool little accessory for anyone who's into fitness and health tracking, but doesn't want to wear an Apple Watch all the time. It tracks sleep recovery, workouts, and even your sleep readiness score, which to me is personally important. Pairing it with the iPhone 17 Pro gives you all that data right in Apple Health. It's sleek, discreet, and feels a lot more natural to wear than wearing an Apple Watch. And also, I love wearing watches nowadays, so I don't need to do all of my tracking on my wrist, and I can use it on my finger, which is a lot more convenient. Finally, for music lovers, I know we talked about the AirPods Pro, but I really do want to recommend the Sony Alt-Wear. These are not the XM6 in terms of quality, but they're really comfortable, they sound good, and that noise cancellation is top notch. It's really a fraction of the cost of the AirPods Max. Not that that's its biggest competitor, but I mean, it sounds really good. I love listening to music to it, especially hip hop sounds. It has a lot of thump in it, and I really like it. Again, it's really clean. And I like the design, I like the way it looks. I have it in white, and it sounds really great, especially when I'm outside. They fold up nicely for travel, and the battery life is pretty good. It lasts up to 30 hours. If the AirPods Pro aren't enough and you want a little bit of an immersive experience on your iPhone 17 Pro, then you should probably look at the Sony Alt-Wears. All right, that wraps up my list. I hope you found it useful. Let me know down below in the comments if you have any questions or maybe any other accessory suggestions. We're a big community here, so I wanna hear what you would recommend. Also, it's time to announce the winner of that $100 giveaway. If you see your name on the screen, then congratulations to you. Look in the description and I have an email there. Send me an email and I'll confirm everything I need to, and I'll go ahead and send you that gift card. Congrats, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.